Good morning, students. Welcome back to your mathematics class. We will be continuing with the same topic, trigonometry. I hope all of you have followed the previous topics. Okay, so today the new topic under that chapter I have selected for you is compound angles, that is trigonometric ratios of compound angles. This chapter is even known as sum or difference of angles. So let's understand the fact. Compound angles are actually known as sum or difference of the angles. Say the angles are like A, B, C, whatever. Then A plus B, A minus B, B plus C, B minus D, or A plus B plus C. So sum or difference of two or more angles are known as compound angles, and we are going to learn them as a single angle now. After the combination of such angles, we are going to have a new formula for that particular constituent angle. Okay, we have the derivation in your book. You can follow the derivation of all the formulas which is listed in your syllabus. We have in general the application problems of particular formulas that I have written in the board. I will be sending you a PDF where you will be receiving all the list of formulas and certain more problems based on that. Today I will be telling you about the formulas. We will be discussing about the formulas of such angles, correct, and some basic formula problems based on that. Okay, so let's start our class with the topic of trigonometric ratios of compound angles. Here students, you can see I have taken the first formula, that is of cos. Cos A plus B, the two angles are in the added form. It is learned as cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Now, remember, whenever there is a plus sign, we have a minus in between. Again, there is the second formula of cos of A minus B, which is learned as cos A cos B plus, in the case of minus, it is plus sin A sin B. So both cos A cos B on one side, sin A sin B on another side. Okay students, second is over. Then comes sin A plus B. With the third one, sin A plus B is learned as sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. See children, what's the difference here with the cos? Here it is plus and here it is plus. Sin A with cos B, cos A with sin B. Please be very careful about this. The difference of the particular cosine compound angles and sine compound angles. Okay. Then sin of A minus B, sin A cos B. For this minus, we have a minus. Cos A, then sin B. First sin A, then cos B. Then cos A, then sin B. And we have to remember them for doing the problems based on that. Fine. Then comes tan. Here, tan of A plus B and tan of A minus B, I have packed it up into one formula. How is it? You might find this notation for you only. I have written in this way. So tan of A plus B, let's read that. Tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. Tan of A minus B tan A minus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. So when it is plus, then it is plus in the numerator and minus in the denominator. When it is minus, then it is minus in the numerator and plus in the denominator. So children, you can see certain formulas which I have listed in the board, and we will be understanding certain application problems. So let's start that. Okay, now the first thing I would like to tell you, using these formulas, we can derive the formulas, the angles of certain new set of angles. What were the angles known to us in class 10? It's known to you: 0 degree, 30 degree, 45, 60 and 90. So, by keeping in mind these formulas, we can now derive the formula, the angle values of 15 degree, then 75 degree, then your 105 degree, 135 degree and so on. So, I am writing it for you. Please do follow. Now, what is your 15 degree can be written as? It can be written as 45 degree minus 30 degree, isn't it? Okay. Then, if I am interested in finding the value of sine 15 degree, taking sine on both the sides, I can write down or derive the formula of sine 15 very easily. I hope it is very clear to you. What am I going to try? Okay, then it is the formula of sine of A minus B. Sine of A minus B. So, what was the formula? Sine A cos B. Cos B. B means 30 degree. Then it is a minus in between. Sine B and cos of 45 degree. Okay. Now we know all the values of these angles. And by looking into this, we can now write down, this is 1 by root 2. This is root 3 by 2. This is again 1 by 2. And this is 1 by root 2. So I can write down the value as root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Please have a look on that. I am substituting the values as I know all of them, and I am getting 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2. So it is root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Now children, if I am having the value of sine 15 in my hand, we all remember the relationship between sine and cos. What was that? They are complementary to each other. So, using sine 15, can I write down the value of cos of 75? See what I am trying to tell you all. Can I write sine 15 as cos 75? Yes or no? Because sine and cos are complementary to each other, isn't it? So both of them are going to give me the same value, root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Correct. Now, if I'm going to change this 15 degree to 75, please do focus here what I have done. In the place of 15 degree, I'm writing now 75 degree. That is, a addition comes here. Okay. So, what is the formula change? There will be addition sign against a plus sign. Correct. So, again the same values are substituted and the new answer comes as root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. So, sine 75 degree is root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. And when sine 75 is here, we can even write down with the complementary relation, that is cos 15 degree is now in our hand. It is so interesting, no? With one answer we can find the value of another angle. There lies the importance of the relationships between each other. Okay, students? Okay. Now, along with 15 degree and 75 degree, we can move on with the same process which I am giving you to try back at home. That is 105, 135. And I hope you will be able to do. Guess what you will be doing to find out these angles. It can be done with 90 plus 15 or something else also. Or it can be done with 135 degree. That is what? 90 plus 45 degree. Okay, children? Now, next part. After deriving all these formulas using compound angle, these formulas cos and this, I can do the same work with tan also. See, tan 75 can be written as tan 45 plus tan 30, 1 minus tan 45 into tan 30. That is, this is tan. An application of tan angle will be required here. Okay, students? Now, let us substitute the values. For tan 45, for tan 30. So you can see I have substituted the values. 1 plus 1 by root 3, 1 minus 1 by root 3. And the answer for this is coming the denominator root 3 and root 3 is cancelling out, isn't it? Now, you have to remember certain values. It is better for you. It is good for you. So, tan 75 can be even said as cot 15. And you can even find out the value of tan 15 using the tan of A minus B formula. Please do try as I am telling you all. Now, in the case of radian notations, I can write 15 degree, I can write 75 degree, I can write anything like that. So, this is, please remember, pi by 12. Okay, and 75 can be remembered as 5 pi by 12. Okay, children? So, let us apply this notation. Say a question comes to you. Tan 13 pi by 12. Tan 13 pi by 12. Now when we have come to know about the value of pi by 12, we can easily write it. See, students, what have I done? Pi plus pi by 12. So it is becoming 13 pi by 12. So pi plus, I hope all of you remember, pi plus pi by 12 comes into which quadrant? Third quadrant. Is it okay? Now, in the third quadrant, what is the sign of tan? It is positive. Yes, that is, tan will remain to be positive there. So see, tan 13 pi by 12 is now tan 15 degree, whose value you can derive by using your compound angle formula. So how all the things are interrelated, isn't it? Okay. So this is one type of problems we have discussed. There are many types of problems. So few of them I have taken. One more kind I am taking for you. Okay. Suppose, let us consider that I am rubbing this one for you. Let us write down the problem. A small proof for you. If a plus b, suppose it is given as 45 degree, that is pi by 4, and you are asked that prove 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan b, it is giving you the answer 2. How to do it? Let us understand with the help of compound angle formulas. So please look at it. We need to prove it to be 2. So I am starting with the LHS part or RHS part. No, I will be starting with the given part. This is given. I am going to start from the given part. So given is a plus b as pi by 4. Let us take tan on both the sides. Since the answers are like the expression is in tan, so quick idea comes. Let's take tan on both the sides. So tan 45 is 1. This is known to all of us. So tan a plus b is equals to tan of pi by 4. That is this. Tan a plus b can be written as. This is a formula. I'm just writing down. Tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. This is a formula just now we have discussed. So I'm bringing this denominator in the right hand side part. So if this is going there, what happens to the RHS? It is becoming this. Is it clear? Now, let us see how can we bring that factorization part. Tan A, tan B, I am again copying. I am trying to bring this RHS here. That is tan A, tan B is equals to 1. I hope this much is clear to everybody. This is very easy. Such type of problems carries 2 marks. Okay, I'm telling you, let's not concentrate only on the marking scheme. We will discuss after later on, after learning all the types of problems. Still I'm telling you, such type of small proofs are going to come for 2 marks. Now this is what was my question, that I have to prove something equals to 1 plus tan A into 1 plus tan B is equals to 2. So for that 2, I'm going to add a 1 on both sides. See, a 1 on both sides. So it's balanced. So it is going to give me 2. I hope it is clear. But what about this side? What about this side? Here I'm going to take something common. How can I take common? Say for example, look at this second term and the third term. What can I take from there? That is tan B, tan B. So I'm writing in a factorized manner, and I hope it will be clear to all of you. See what I did. Tan A plus 1 I collected, and from here tan B is taken common. So 1 plus tan A remains here and 1 plus tan A here. So if 1 plus tan A is common, then left out is tan B plus 1. Is it okay? So what I did, the 4 terms were there and I factorized it down to this. Okay, students. So this is a very small proof. We will come across such type of small proofs throughout this is only a starting. So I will be sending you some more proofs based on that. This is what introductory part of a compound angles. I hope all of you understood. Please do follow the video. Please do follow the notes I am sending it to you. And this is all for today. Have a good day.